Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're about to embark on an incredible journey to the land of the rising sun, Japan. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure because I'm sharing 10 essential travel tips, specifically crafted for first-timers heading to this mesmerizing country. From bustling city life to tranquil temples and mouth-watering food experiences, Japan offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity. So buckle up and let's dive into these essential tips to make your first trip to Japan an absolute breeze.
Konnichiwa, everyone. Before we even think about indulging in delicious ramen or marveling at majestic Mount Fuji, let's start with the foundation of an unforgettable trip meticulous planning. Begin by researching destinations that align with your interests. Are you drawn to the bright lights and energy of Tokyo, the historical charm of Kyoto, or perhaps the tranquility of the Japanese Alps? Once you've identified your must-visit spots, delve into the nitty-gritty. Check the best time to visit each location, considering seasonal highlights like cherry blossoms in spring or vibrant autumn foliage. Research flight options, visa requirements, and accommodation options that suit your budget and travel style. Next up, let's break down those language barriers and learn some essential Japanese phrases. All right, my fellow adventurers, let's talk about the magic of communication. While Japan is renowned for its hospitality and many locals in tourist areas speak English, learning a few basic Japanese phrases will significantly enhance your travel experience. Start with essential greetings like konnichiwa, hello, arigato gozaimasu, thank you, and sumimasen, excuse me. These phrases go a long way in showing respect and appreciation for the local culture. Don't be afraid to practice your pronunciation. Even if you fumble a bit, your efforts will be met with warmth and encouragement. To further enhance your linguistic arsenal, consider learning phrases for asking directions, ordering food, and making basic requests. Now that you're equipped with the power of language, let's delve into the world of Japan's incredibly efficient public transportation system. Get ready to be amazed by Japan's public transportation system. It's a well-oiled machine renowned for its punctuality, cleanliness, and efficiency, a true testament to Japanese precision and organization. From the iconic Shinkansen bullet train that zips across the country at lightning speed to the intricate network of local trains, subways, and buses, navigating Japan has never been easier. The trains arrive and depart with remarkable punctuality, often down to the second, so you can bid farewell to those travel anxieties about missed connections. To make the most of your journeys, I highly recommend familiarizing yourself with the various ticketing systems. The Japan Rail Pass offers incredible value for long-distance travel, while IC cards like Suica or Pasmo provide a convenient way to pay for local trains, buses, and even some vending machines. Now let's talk about respecting local customs and etiquette, an essential aspect of immersing yourself in Japanese culture. Chapter 4. Embrace the culture, respect local customs. As we delve deeper into the heart of Japan, it's crucial to approach their rich cultural tapestry with respect and sensitivity. One of the first things you'll notice is the importance of bowing as a gesture of respect. While a slight nod is sufficient for casual interactions, deeper bows are customary for greetings, apologies, or expressing gratitude. Another important aspect to remember is the practice of removing shoes before entering homes, temples, traditional ryokans, inns, and even some restaurants. When it comes to dining, it's considered polite to use chopsticks properly and avoid sticking them upright in your rice bowl, as this is associated with funeral rituals. Now let's talk about a game changer for exploring the country, the Japan Rail Pass. Chapter 5. Your ticket to adventure, the Japan Rail Pass. Get ready to unlock seamless travel across Japan with the legendary Japan Rail Pass. This magical ticket is a must-have for any first-time visitor planning to explore multiple cities and regions. The Japan Rail Pass offers exceptional value, allowing you to travel extensively on JR lines, including most Shinkansen lines, limited express trains, and even some local JR buses and ferries. It's important to note that the pass must be purchased before you arrive in Japan and is available for 7, 14, or 21 consecutive days. With the Japan Rail Pass in hand, you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenic beauty of Japan as it whizzes by your window. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite aspects of Japanese culture: the food. Chapter 6, a culinary adventure, indulge in local cuisine. Oh, the food! Prepare your taste buds for an explosion of flavors, textures, and culinary artistry, because Japan is a true paradise for food lovers. One of the most important tips I can offer is to embrace the local cuisine. Venture beyond the familiar and dive headfirst into the world of sushi, ramen, tempura, and countless other delicacies that will tantalize your taste buds. Each region in Japan boasts its own unique specialty, so be adventurous and try something new. Now let's talk about staying connected in this digital age, free Wi-Fi and SIM cards. In today's hyper-connected world, staying online has become an integral part of travel. Whether you're sharing your adventures on social media, navigating with Google Maps, or simply staying in touch with loved ones, having access to the internet is essential. The good news is that Japan offers a plethora of options for staying connected, from free Wi-Fi hotspots to convenient SIM cards. Free Wi-Fi is readily available in most hotels, cafes, restaurants, and even on public transportation. However, for more reliable and consistent access, especially if you're venturing off the beaten path, I highly recommend getting a SIM card upon arrival. You can find SIM cards at major airports, electronics stores, and even convenience stores. Now let's talk about an important aspect of travel that often gets overlooked: carrying cash. While Japan is a technologically advanced country, cash is still king in many situations. Unlike some other developed nations where credit cards are widely accepted, Japan has a strong cash-based culture, and you'll find that many smaller establishments, restaurants, and local shops may not accept plastic. To avoid any inconvenience, it's essential to have a sufficient amount of Japanese yen on hand throughout your trip. You can exchange currency at airports, banks, and authorized currency exchange booths. Now, let's lighten your load and talk about the convenience of luggage delivery services. Imagine this. You've just arrived in Japan, ready to explore all its wonders. But instead of lugging heavy suitcases through crowded train stations, your luggage magically appears at your hotel. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in Japan, this dream is a reality thanks to their incredibly efficient luggage delivery services. These services, known as takuhaibin, allow you to send your bags directly to your hotel or even to your next destination, freeing you up to explore unencumbered. It's surprisingly affordable and incredibly convenient, especially if you're traveling long distances or have multiple stops planned. You can find luggage delivery counters at airports, train stations, and even some convenience stores. Finally, let's talk about an essential aspect of responsible travel insurance. All right, fellow adventurers, as we approach the end of our journey through essential tips, let's talk about an aspect of travel that we all hope we'll never need, but is absolutely crucial: travel insurance. Think of travel insurance as your safety net, providing peace of mind and financial protection in case of unexpected events that could disrupt your trip. From medical emergencies to lost luggage or trip cancellations, travel insurance is there to safeguard you from potential financial burdens. When choosing travel insurance, it's essential to select a plan that covers your specific needs and activities. Don't leave home without it. Now, as we wrap up our journey through these essential tips, I hope you feel inspired and prepared to embark on your own unforgettable adventure in Japan. Arigato gozaimasu for joining me on this exciting journey through 10 essential tips for first-time travelers to Japan. I hope these insights have ignited your wanderlust and provided valuable information to make your trip truly unforgettable. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on my latest uploads. Embrace the unknown, be open to new experiences, and most importantly, have the time of your life. Safe travels, and I'll see you in my next video.